Hello friends, in today's video I will be showing blue tone and yellow tone green on tree in watercolor. Each color contains many tones. In green we can find blue tone and yellow tone. So first I will show warm tone green. Here I am showing the colors has been used. French ultramarine, sap green, gamboge yellow, cobalt blue, vermilion red. Sap green is typical green, so I have mixed gamboge yellow in a small amount and easily made a nice warm tone green. You can see I am not using black color. I will show how a blackish tone can be made without black pigments or color. Yellow tone green has a strong yellow base with the mixing of any type of green like viridian green, sap green and also any kind of blue can be used. Because we know blue and yellow together can make green tone. Yellow base or warm tone green should have dominance of yellow color, whereas cool tone green should have more blue pigment. It can be made using any type of green with any kind of blue with a tip of any yellow color, but blue pigment should have a dominance. Here one thing I should say, don't memorize the color mixing process much consciously. You should memorize only the name of color written on colors containers label. While mixing, feel the color by heart and do the experiment. Try to make it on self-observation. Color conception is not that easy that one can memorize and apply. Each person has different choice of color according to their personality. Color mixing memorizing is like one have memorized some maths like parrot for exam and after the exam is over he forgot everything. In future he can't solve any maths because he did not realize and learn properly. As I mentioned, blackish tone can be made without using black color. Here you can see the color mixing process. So you can see I am going to show cool tone green tree. I have used viridian green with same colors and keep the dominance of blue. So friends, this is an end. We'll bring another tutorial. Till then, bye. Stay well.